Hi guys, welcome back. Most of us think about adding exercise to our routine. For that, some of may go to gym or some people install apps like workout scheduler or something like that. In fact, the apps are pretty good. But what's the real problem is whenever we are taking the mobile phone for exercise, we will be getting notification from Instagram, Facebook, and we will be lost their mind, postpone the exercise to tomorrow, and goes on. Finally, even after completing 2 months of installing the app, we won't be able to complete at least 5 days of exercise. To overcome this, we are going to build a device which is going to monitor and schedule our workout. That's nothing but this. This device is going to schedule the exercise which is to be carried on during the exercise session. Now let's get into the video and see how we can build this one. If you're new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. You will be given with 3 options. Always be number 1 by pressing all. Once it's completed, you will be notified whenever we are uploading a new video. Now let's get into the video.
Let's see the roadmap for this project. We need a controller which is going to store all the list of exercise and the time we spend on each exercise. Sometimes it is easy for us to see the display and see what's the time remaining or what's the current exercise we are doing. But display is not always enough. We need some sound elements like buzzer or speaker. So we are going to use something like that. And finally we want to control the controller with some switches. Now let's see the real elements behind this. I have given a link in the description for buying all these elements under one roof. If you want to buy there, the link is in the description. Make sure you go and buy there. Now let's see how to connect every component. There are 4 pins in the OLED display: ground, VCC, SCA and SCL. The ground pin goes to ground of Arduino and VCC goes to 5 volt of Arduino pin and SCL goes to unlock 5 and SCA goes to unlock 4. It's very easy to connect this push button. Just connect the one leg of the push button to ground, another to any digital pin from 2 to 13. After understanding this component, it's time to build the PCB. Let's see how to build it. This is the PCB and I have given a circuit diagram. You can download the circuit diagram from the description. And it's time to assemble the components. It's very easy because we are using header pins. I have attached some wires to the push button to take it out of the circuit because sometimes we want to place the push button out of a container. That's the reason. Grab any small plastic box like this and fix our circuit inside it. Make sure the 2 push buttons are outside. With using Fevikwik, we want to paste this push button outside the container. Finally, the device is ready, but it doesn't have any code inside it. We want to generate some code to make this Arduino work. For that, take your PC and do some Google stuff and see what are the exercises we are going to do and what are the exercises which suits for you and which can be done at home. After finding some exercises, just write down these exercises in a paper or any notebook. Once you feel that the search is over, it's time to convert our list into our Arduino code. Let's see how we can do this. First, open the Arduino app. I am using my self-made computer. If you want to make your own, the link is in the description for making this computer. Once it's opened, let's start to code. Now the code is ready. The primary variables which we used in this project also use an image in the beginning of the project. We cannot use the image directly, so we want to convert the image into a hexadecimal file. Then only the Arduino can understand the image. In the bottom, there are some built-in libraries for running this OLED display, which we should not touch it. I have made this code in such a way that it doesn't look like a mess. There are separate functions for storing a separate set of instructions. This helps us a lot in finding where the error is. These three lines, the first line is for clearing the display, and second is for setting the display size, and third is for setting the cursor. And this is for checking whether the push button is pressed or not, and this is for second push button. The void timer is for counting from 30 to 0 or 50 to 0 according to the instructions, and this function is for using the buzzer. Finally, there are our exercises. EXE stores the exercise name and N stores the number of seconds. I have created many exercises, and the switch cases switch from one to another once the exercise is over. These are the code. Now let's upload the code and see how it's working. For uploading the code, we need a USB connector which is going to connect the Arduino Nano and the computer via USB. Now let's click the upload button. The code will be uploaded and let's see whether it's working or not. Before that, we want to attach a battery to this device. I have given 2 pins in my PCB for this battery, and the link in the description for buying this battery. You can buy there. Now let's see, the lights up. It means it's working. It's working fine. That means our project is success. Now let's begin our exercise session, and it's time to say goodbye. See you soon in another video. If you want more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel, and see you soon in another video. If you have any ideas about making project, you can comment down too. Thank you. Goodbye.